Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, chapter 96. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Shangi and Wanting. Are you okay? Immediately. Count to the three. Hey, I'm not a pharmacy school student. Shangi said the Wanting. Look at her. She's trying to get her. Alright, I don't think you're any more mature than elementary school student, but you have lost your weight again. Your waist is an inch narrower than last time. Wanting said to her. Fortunately, the Vision Awards are next month, so I have time to change my waist measurement. Wanting said, Yay, I have new clothes to wear. Shangi said the Wanting. Oh, by the way, take a look at this. Shangi said the Wanting. Wanting got surprised. She keeps staring on her phone. At this moment, the media has photographed you and Tang Wangting and they offering $1 million to buy out the footage. What are your plans? Wow, I didn't know celebrity relationships were so viable. Wangting said to her, wipe your mouth, you're drooling. Shangi said the Wangting, look at her. Instead of getting angry, she was so happy about this. What do you think? What are they going to do? Wangting, Shangi, she's trying to tell her. What do you think? Is she going to tell to the public and revealing the relationship of the two of them, or they're going to fire out the footage so no one can know? Of course, it was difficult also the people will notice that the two of them are been together. It's better to keep the family in the family than better get it outside since already a semi-public anyway. I'd rather give the money to the paparazzi than to them, while Wanting said to Shangi. But now, Shangi, look at her suddenly. She becomes silent. What do you think? Is she going to go after the paparazzi or the relationship will be revealed? Stating what's wrong? Are you worried that your fans will tear me apart if we go public with our relationship? Shangi, she keep puzzled, but I'm an actor, not an idol. As long as you don't have random romantic relationship, your fans won't really tear you apart. Now, it makes sense for her. She clearly thinking about this. Importantly, are you willing? Well, once you go public with your relationship, it means you'll be constantly in public eye. Now, she was right about that. Well, past statements, former close relationship, even your studio, all of this will be dug up, being watched every move you make. Be incredible, stressful. Now, I'm afraid, Shangi said. Shangi, I'm not afraid when I'm with you. Oh, what a brave girl. One thing, she's really so brave on this. And moreover, she emotionally really supportive on hers, but I'm afraid of what I'm protecting. Shangi, I'm capable and thoughtful, well, adult, and I will protect myself. One thing said to Shangi, as my girlfriend, all you need to do is slap me. Well, okay? Now, ouch, it hurts. If you dare to say no, I'll punish you again. One thing said to Shangi. Well, what a brave and cute girlfriend reasons one thing. I will love you for the rest of my life. Shangi said one thing. Now it's like she's telling her that she wanted to protect her eternally. 2 days later, on the parking lot, it seems that there's a media man, paparazzi, who's waiting to scoop up. Well, they must be. Really see them. Taking a lot of photos at this moment, Shangi and Wanting holding each other's hand. We can see that at this moment, well, definitely, it was a plan for two of them. They haven't released any information yet since they don't pay the paparazzi. We need to give them some time to consider it. Besides, since we intend to receive this weight of traffic ourselves, We should maximize its impacts. Shang-Yi said, "What's wrong? Could it be that she noticed that someone's taking a photo of the two of them? Shang-Yi, she's been so weird on the background like this. Now, one thing? Well, here comes the opportunity. What are you going to do? You'll find out soon enough." Shang-Yi said the one thing. Now it makes sense. Surely noticed that there's a person who's taking a photo until she's knocking on the car. Well, Shang-Yi, is she going to confront the paparazzi or she wanted to help him to cover up for things? Which media outlets is this? They've been following me for so many days. They must be exhausted. Well, Shang-Yi said, at this moment, look at her. She seems to be so comfortable. The man said, Teacher Shang, this is my job and the camera quite expensive. Let's talk it out. It would look good for anyone if got it smashed. The paparazzi said to Shang-Yi, who's going to smash your things? Bring it on. Well, Shang-Yi, it's like she was telling him to took a race over things. Now it makes sense. Remember to take good pictures. Oh, this girl, she's really outsmarting everyone. Look at her. She's so happy while holding hands with one thing. Ah, Shang-Yi, this is mean. You're admitting to yourself relationship with Dang Wangting, who were already together on the previous reality show. It makes sense the cameraman keep asking questions about the two of them. Well, Shang-Yi, this is mean. You're admitting relationship. It seems that Shang-Yi, she won't really back down on this. At this moment, look at her. She keep staring to the cameraman. What exactly is your relationship now? Can you give a clear answer? The cameraman said, at this moment, of course, she's been so intrigued about the relationship of the two of them. Well, they're friends, they're family. Shang-Yi tell to the man, but still holding her hands with one thing. At this moment, they really keep staring to each other. Well, more, more of a lover, finally admitting that the two of them are vain and the relationship is full-time alone. Well, do you think it will work? Well, the paparazzi, oh my god, it's looked like a marriage certificate photo. I took really good photos. Well, he's been so faceled. Look at him. He might be breaking a news next day. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.